Hey everyone! How's it going? You know what, I'm having really good products for you, and now in this video we are telling about the best Halloween costumes for everyone. On my view or judgment, I formed about something new and I have listed them based on facts and features. If you want to watch more interesting videos like this, so don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube app for never miss any update. If you want more product information, check out the links in the description for complete products information and best price. When you are looking for Halloween costume, the options seem endless. The countdown to October 31st is underway, and you will now be more ready than ever thanks to these best ever costume ideas. Whatever your budget or personal style, there's an idea for you and your significant other or friend group. We have found the best Halloween costumes of all time. Get your creative process started with inspiration from these unique and talented Halloween costume ideas. You can buy these Halloween costumes for everyone today at the best price. Watch this video till end for more interesting Halloween costume ideas. Let's start. At number 1 is Party City Chapter 2 Tattered Pennywise costume. You are back and scarier than ever in the Party City Chapter 2 Tattered Pennywise costume for adults. The one-piece jumpsuit looks like an older and tattered grey clown suit, with a ruffled collar and attached boot covers. Complete your truly terrifying look with a white Pennywise clown mask with red details and matching collar. Polyester, exclusive of decoration, hand wash cold, line dry, intended for adult use only, balloon and shoes not included with this costume. This is the first costume for this Halloween party in our collection. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for best price. At number 2 is Disguise Women's Rose Gold Mini Deluxe Adult Costume. If you love your sparkly rose gold mini ears, you will love this costume. Covered in post-worthy rose gold sequins. Our Women Rose Gold Mini Deluxe Adult Halloween costume is a coveted fashion costume. You will surely sparkle and shine in this dazzling disguise. In a shimmery and sequin fashion, you will bring fashionista Minnie to life this Halloween. This item features a dress in rose gold with sequin bodice, polka dot puff sleeves, a beautiful bow at the waist, an attached character cameo, and skirt with polka dot overlay. It even comes with a character headband to round out the look. Embody Minnie's glamour and fashion sense with this stunning disguise, and become Disney's Golden Girl this Halloween season. Pick up our Women's Rose Gold Mini Deluxe Adult Halloween costume today. This is the second best costume for this Halloween party in our collection. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for best price. At number 3 is Silver Lilly Unisex Adult Pajamas Cosplay Animal Dinosaur costume. If you are looking for an incredibly fun way to be the life of the party, look no further than a Silver Lily animal costume. Each full-length bodysuit is unique and full of character, sure to be a hit everywhere you wear it. Soft poly fabric and relaxed fit allows ease of movement for an epic dance battles that may occur. At number 4 is Leg Avenue Women's Wet Look Zipper Front Cat Suit. Always on trend with fashion-forward designs and amazing quality, Leg Avenue costumes will make you look and feel completely irresistible. Perfect for Halloween, themed events, or just for fun. The Leg Avenue Women's Sexy Wet Look Cat Suit is sleek, versatile, and sure to be a long-time favorite. The look features a lame zipper front cat suit. Wear this sexy black zipper cat suit as the base for a comic book villainous outfit or a modern-day super spy. The sleek and sexy cat suit is body-hugging, comfortable, and extremely versatile. This zip-up black cat suit is the perfect Halloween costume for theme parties, cosplay, or DIY costume looks. At number 5 is Rubie's Spider-Man Deluxe Mysterio Adult Costume. Adult Deluxe Mysterio padded jumpsuit with boot tops and cape. Costumes are sized differently than apparel. Use the Rubie's adult male size chart image, do not choose based on clothing size. Create your own Spider-Man look with costumes from all your favorite movies. From movie premiere to fan conventions. Fun runs to Halloween, every reason and season, Rubie's is pleased to offer you and your family the latest and most innovative concepts in masquerade and dress up. At number 6 is Women's Egyptian Goddess Costume. This Egyptian goddess costume will let you look divine. Add sexy gold sandals, a Cleopatra wig, snake armband, ankh staff and jewelry. Then you can order slaves to begin building your very own pyramid. Our Egyptian goddess outfits comes with a beautifully detailed dress, belt, gem-beaded collar, headpiece, and glovelets with sheer drapes that run down the arm. At number 7 is Leg Avenue Men's Top Gun Fight Suit Costume. Leg Avenue's fashion styling and unique designs combine to create the perfect costume look for pre-teens and juniors. Always on trend with cutting-edge designs and amazing quality, Leg Avenue costumes for men are perfect for Halloween, themed events, or just for fun. At number 8 is Monarch Butterfly Shawl Cape Halloween Costume. New beautiful butterfly cloak is printed in chiffon, unique, smarter, perfect for party play, cosplay, birthday party. Halloween fairy wings make you more attractive and elegant. It is a good decoration for a Halloween dress-up party. Enjoy the joy of Halloween. Through the crowd, you are the most distinctive butterfly. Butterfly wings is the best festival gift for your lover, family, friend and co-workers. Put on the shawl, walk in the idyllic garden, dance with the butterfly, become one of the most unique and beautiful butterflies, enjoy the beauty of nature. At number 9 is Mr. Potato Head Deluxe Adult Costume. Everyone's favorite potato is here. It's Mr. Potato Head, the classic toy that everyone loves to play with. Now adults can dress up as the favorite toy with this very cool Mr. Potato Head costume. The costume just slips right on and everyone will love this costume. It is comfortable to wear and comes with face pieces for both the male and female potato head. This can be a perfect couple's costume. At number 10 is Rubie's Captain Marvel Hero Suit Adult Costume. Get the Captain Marvel look with half of the effort by wearing our Captain Marvel Hero Suit Costume Top Adult. This shirt is great for going to work in, because you can make it clear you are dressing up as Captain Marvel without having to put on an entire superhero outfit just to sit at your usual desk chair. At number 11 is Disney Toy Story Men's Buzz Lightyear Deluxe for Adult. This is an awesome Buzz Lightyear costume from everyone's favorite movie Toy Story. It is not just for kids, so now you can launch into this super cool 7-piece deluxe costume and be the most famous toy spaceman ever. Costume includes jumpsuit, detachable character hood, jetpack, glow sticks and boot covers. At number 12 is Leg Avenue Women's 5-piece Deadly Ninja Costume. Surprise them in the Deadly Ninja costume by Leg Avenue, which includes a deep V jumpsuit with shoulder guards, waist sash, arm warmers with attached wraps, ninja face mask, and attached leg wraps. Leg Avenue Women's Deadly Ninja costume always on trend with cutting-edge designs and amazing quality. Leg Avenue costumes for men are perfect for Halloween, themed events, or just for fun. At number 13 is Men's Day of the Dead costume Faux Suede Day of the Dead suit. This Men's Day of the Dead costume comes with a faux suede jacket and pants, and a hat and cummerbund. It's one of the world's top retailers of costumes and we are ready to help provide you with new and exciting styles. And that's exactly why we designed this Adult Day of the Dead costume. Faux suede, decorative roses, lace accents, and printed spider web details all add a unique and one-of-a-kind style to this costume ensemble. We use quality construction, hand-picked fabrics. This Day of the Dead costume is sure to be a step up from anything our competitors offer. At number 14 is Secret Wishes Marvel Deadpool Women's Costume. Now you can pose as the world's most sarcastic and fun anti-hero in this officially licensed Marvel Deadpool Women's Costume by Secret Wishes. Long-sleeved, form-fitting red and black faux leather jumpsuit with zipper closure in back, pull-on red face mask with black mesh eye covers and ponytail opening on top. Tan waist belt with printed utility pouch detail and Deadpool logo on front. At number 15 is TOLOCO Inflatable Costume. Inflatable Halloween costume is made with 100% polyester that is strong and durable so that you will never have to worry about any tears or holes. TOLOCO inflatable costumes are perfect for Halloween and parties. People will spot you a mile away, you are being carried by an alien. At number 16 is Women's Jasmine Teal Deluxe Adult Costume. Walk into the party as your favorite Disney princess this Halloween when you pick up the Adult Deluxe Teal Jasmine costume. With this costume, you will receive a beautiful teal jumpsuit adorned with peacock designs and golden trim, as well as a matching detachable cape. Pair this with our matching Jasmine wig, and you will really stun the crowd this Halloween. Buy your Jasmine costume today, and then team up with Raja, Aladdin, Abu, the genie and the rest of the gang to make this your best Halloween yet. At number 17 is Men's German Bavarian Oktoberfest Costume. Why not dress up yourself as a super handsome and charming German beer boy? Spooktacular Creations Men's Oktoberfest Costume Deluxe Set. Features classic and elaborate lederhosen with suspenders and detachable bib, pullover shirt with lace-up collar, a pair of knee socks, and German alpine hat. Ideal for any Oktoberfest lover or Day of the Beer costume needs. Great for Halloween costume dress-up parties, beer-themed costume, beer track Halloween costume, Germany dress costume, Day of Beer party, party favors, outdoor activity, everyday play and more. At number 18 is Fun World Women's Peace Love Hippie costume. Find peace and love this Halloween as a hippie. Purchase the Peace and Love Hippie Plus costume today for a groovy holiday. The colorful 3-part costume includes fringe boot covers, matching headband, and a hippie dress with a fringe vest. Finish this look with brown boots. Peace and Love Hippie costume. This costume will have you dreaming of Woodstock and frolicking through the flowers. The Peace and Love costume includes a dress with an attached fringed vest, fringe boot covers and a headband. At number 19 is Avengers 4 Deluxe Mask Adult Costume. Endgame Adult Captain America Deluxe Costume. On the battlefield of the Infinity War you can use this super suit to stay lithe and strong in the fight against Thanos. Your friends are not getting disintegrated on your watch when you have this costume to defend them. Deluxe muscle chest printed jumpsuit with attached 3D boot tops, belt, and mask. Costumes are sized differently than clothing, important to review Rubie's men's size chart before making selection. At number 20 is Buttercup Princess Bride Women's Costume. This Princess Bride Buttercup costume comes with a red dress and belt. This Buttercup costume is made and designed by us and is a Fun Costumes exclusive. We studied the original film to produce a screen-accurate replica of the riding cloak Buttercup wears in this movie. Authentic style and extra attention to detail makes this costume stand out for movie fans. Quality construction and durable materials ensures customers get an extended life out of all of our products. With proper care, this Buttercup dress can be enjoyed for costume, cosplay, and adventure. These are the best Halloween costumes for everyone you can buy right now. Subscribe our channel and don't forget to check out the links in the description for best price.